Titular King of Manipur Leisemba Sanajauba set to enter politics, gets BJP ticket for Manipur Rajya Sabha seat. JSCC, a conglomerate of MSU, MSF, KSA and SUK, strongly objects recruitment drive at Manipur University in absence of regular Vice-Chancellor of Manipur University. Indo-Myanmar Association Imphal signs MOU with Mandalay's Sri Jagamohan Mandir for construction of a guest house at Minde Iken in Mandalay. Traffic Control Wing kept strict vigil at various places of Imphal West District to prevent road mishaps during Yaukshang Festival. People celebrate the third day of Yaukshang Festival by holding various sports activities and entertainments. And Impact TV defeats Storm TV by 1-0 in football tournament of All Manipur Working Journalists Union Annual Yaukshang Sports Meet 2020. Kurumjari, good evening. You are watching Wednesday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this evening. Titular King of Manipur Leisemba Sanajauba has been chosen by the central BJP leaders for Manipur Rajya Sabha seat, which fell vacant following completion of the term of Rajya Sabha MP KSH Bhavananda. BJP central leaders also announced candidates of 8 other states for which RA seats have become vacant. Madhya Pradesh Rajya Sabha seat will be filled by former Congress leader Jyoti Aditya Scindia, who recently switched to BJP. The upcoming Rajya Sabha election candidates was announced in a meeting chaired by BJP National President JP Nadda today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Home Minister Amit Shah and other ministers were present in the meeting. Manipur Chief Minister Nongthom Biren has welcomed Central BJP's decision to give a ticket to Leisemba Sanajauba for the upcoming Rajya Sabha election. He is confident that Manipur legislature will elect him to the post of the Rajya Sabha Manipur seats which remained vacant following completion of the term of MP KSH Bhavananda. Joint Students Coordination Committee JSCC, a conglomerate of All Manipur Students Union MSU, Manipur Students Federation MSF, Kanglei Park Students Association KSA and Students Union of Kanglei Park SUK have strongly objected to any recruitment drive at Manipur University in the absence of a regular Vice-Chancellor of the university. It may be mentioned that the Ministry of Human Resource Development MHRD had ordered not to recruit any regular teaching and non-teaching staffs of a university in the absence of a regular Vice-Chancellor. JSCC has imposed immediate ban on the recent order issued by Administrator of Manipur University for recruitment of various regular posts of Manipur University. Speaking to media at MSU office in Thangmeiban today, JSCC convener Peter Lytram said the notification sent by Under Secretary of MHRD Vijay Kumar to Registrar of MU on March 3rd states that Vice-Chancellor post of Manipur University is vacant. He added that Under Secretary of MHRD Pramod Kumar Saha had issued an order on October 9, 2014, banning any appointment of regular teaching and non-teaching staffs of a university in the absence of regular VC. He expressed discontentment that the current administrator of Manipur University has issued recruitment order against the order issued by the MHRD. He declared that JSCC will form a committee and inspect the same. Many representatives of MSU, MSF, KSA and SUK attended the press meet.
Vice Chancellor Leitraba Manipur University the Mato Karamna Makhatana regular teaching and non-teaching staff Hariba Mam Sing Loriba no Absa she Manipur Miamda Achoba Hangamani Aduna Hariba posting as in Yom Lana Loxala Matamda Kangrava Mahiroi Natraga Kalakadava Kalodava Mahiroi Miam Singaza Masidasu conflict topa crisis topa problem Miama Tolopaja Hana Hoi example Miam Lagram Nisuma Miam Singasa and a Sigum Miam Singasa Toktanaba Manipur Leva Miam Sida Niom Sumna Tonova Damata a Sigum Lava Niom Lana Lonaba Honariba regular or permanent teaching or non-teaching staff ki hujik lauriba posting ase ase khudakta lekpadamni aduga joint student coordination committee JCC gi nasu hariba si makhata na lobada athingba thamle aduna niyom chumna launabagi damakta amadi hana laugiba regular teaching and non-teaching staff laugiba mayam sing sidasu hoi committee em semaga MU gi hariba sigumba sida hoi yengjannaba committee em semle.
Land has been donated for the construction of a guest house at Minde Ekin, a village in Mandalay, mostly inhabited by Meitei diasporas. Sri Jaga Mohan Mandir, an organization of Mandalay, has signed a memorandum of understanding with Manipur's Indo-Myanmar Association Imphal today for constructing the guest house. President of a board of trustee of Sri Jaga Mohan Mandir, Jayar Jo Hait, and President of Indo-Myanmar Association Imphal S.H. Samu signed the Memorandum of Understanding at the Conference Hall of Hotel Classic in Palace Compound. Secretary of Sri Jaga Mohan Mandir, Pe Naing, and Secretary 1, Tun Tun Naing of Myanmar, and Secretary of Indo-Myanmar Association Imphal, P. Gunjabihari, and Treasurer of A.K. David were also present at the event. Speaking to media, President of Indo-Myanmar Association Imphal, S.H. Samu said, Indo-Myanmar Association Imphal has been planning to construct a guest house since the past 10 years. He expressed happiness that Mandalay's Sri Jaga Mohan Mandir has donated land to construct a guest house to facilitate people from the state visiting the village. S.H. Samu appealed to people to extend necessary cooperation for the same.
Mandalay gi laiba mafam masida ikoi Manipur gi oiba guest house ama sabu gi pandam masi oiramna bo hona bada ikoi 2010 dagi hojik pawa sahi tara sangna honarakpani adu Mandalay gi tangraba lam masida Jagamohan Mandir gi ikoi gi board of trustee na lam masi bibi re adu ikoi na masi khong thabam amakhak ikoi na thamjabagi wafam ni aduga masida Sabasida Sangakadaba, Sen, Tum, Lugatorkataba Punamakshidi, Manipuri Praja Singi Mapanda, Tamjari.
Traffic Control Wing is keeping a strict vigil at various locations of Imphal West District to prevent any road mishaps during Yeokshin Festival. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, additional SP of Traffic Control Wing, Yomnam Joira said road mishaps occurred frequently during Yeokshin Festival, hence Traffic Control Wing is carrying out active drives to prevent any mishap this year. He said, disobeying traffic rules, drunk driving, and parents allowing their underage children to drive are the main reasons behind road accidents. He added that nearly 500 people are fined for traffic violation almost every day during the ongoing drive. Yumnam Joira said that traffic police do not want people to pay fine but to obey traffic rules for their own safety.
Traffic rule to Gaibazing drive Sathari Maham Tarada. Aduga, Nasai Lens Mamang Bakta nearly 300 Kimayada Lagre, Salan Masing. Aduna Nasigi Numitilo Salakwadadi. We are expecting Hoy target see somewhere 600 to 700 ki target it Zari. But I know by Amda appeal downing Madi. I call you target say Yohandana Honabio, Haibaga Tradi, traffic violet of Bidaba, helmet Opaga Tobiba, seat belt, Paraga Tobiba, tinted glass, happy daba. Aduna, I coina Tamiba target say Yaudanaba, Praja Singna, Inkalai Naharol Singna, any all sections of life Singna, traffic rules sing violate Vidaba for the safety of own self. Isa Isagi, Adagi Atopa road users sing safety Gidamakta, traffic rule to Gabiganu have a appeal thousand.
People continue to celebrate the third day of Yeokshin Festival with gaiety by holding various entertaining events. Impact News Sub-Editor Joyశ్రీ Usham, Sonali Maibam and camera person Arambam Johan brings you an exclusive report. Let's have a look.
Ngasi yausang kumai gi humni suba numit asida thangmaiban amadi Imphal West ki atay atopa mafamsingda
yausang kumai matau karamna pangthoknari haibasi miyamda paudam jage miyeng taminarasi.
Sananing masing angang yam tholok pa yam nungai do yam jarawi
chahi magi oina lakpanina akhoi jam harawa poksai akhoi sana khona jakoi khara ju pamjawnina
yaklang sport lakpasida akhoi angang miyamna yaklang jingai jai angang miyamna akhoi angang miyamna sport pamjaba makhal makhal laktuna akhoi bu pukning dogot piu club si maming ti si thawma me improvement club akhoi club sida yaklang sport si jai yam nungai haide lekai just sport am sin bani na ko angang miyam tholak pa dagi imano miyam tholak pa si yam nungai na hai
Nang kay sports yaurage
Bukan miyam ya.
bukan kay prize laure
Pitok tri.
pitok the first taba khotpa kay yaur ba
Amtang yaw na hai.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯅ ꯄꯣꯔꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯇꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒ ꯂꯥꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯄꯣꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯑꯥꯐꯇꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯇ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯍꯥꯔꯃꯣꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯁꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯥꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯃꯕꯨ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯅꯅ ꯀꯣꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯄꯤꯅꯅ ꯍꯥꯔꯃꯣꯅꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯣꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯁꯤꯃ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯀꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕꯅꯦꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯨꯠꯕꯣꯜ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠꯂꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯐꯥꯎꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯡꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯔ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯒꯦꯅꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤ
yausang nungai bro nungai ya yausang gi sei sakpa hai bro hai ti ya jagoi di saba hai banatro amta sabiro yamti yengine nangila toda lamba fandra wakanda pakang di aura rhyme sama thiro se
Cheese bean ye kara ka law sakone. Happy yaw.
I could say yaw sang mande I could like I sa thok de I could like I lak pataliro Pamja manang du ay tagi oy ning ba Namang da kanasu haning da ba
Kale sa thok de. Kale sa thok de. Kale lak pataliro. Pamjanangli ay kayoning ba?
paisa zina kai doi ba duga
Thamjan doi ba. Mama da pisan doi ba.
noi cha ka jana roi dro hai jibo paisa mama
Janani.
janani ya okay ngasi na han bro thali jana ngai thak bro
Nahan ke su thale.
ama chen kare ngo
Happy yaw sang.
kem phangage yaw sang paisa that pa je
90 phange.
paisa je ke doi na duga
Boy gumba lai deba.
si uripo haisnam la kai dani hujiki lairaga sida angang macha sina paisa thatpagi kano sin ado hujik akoina uzare ado makha ta buji yengmina kisi happy yaw sang in the meantime
Aigi maming Tanisha ko I first tare. I ganin pa ko first second tare. Ana third ta ba hanjabam Bansika Sharma.
ado yaw sang kumai da minus 4 bang ko buji nungai bro
Nungaye.
paisa ka thalaroi dro lang dia
Thaning de da.
paisa thaning di kai ke
Talle.
Happy Ocean
yausang manungda ingkalagliba nahasingda sana khonabagi ithil hapiribasi afaba khongthangni haibada haiman bathogloi
ꯇꯧꯕꯇꯕꯨ ꯁꯥꯟꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯏꯚꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯁꯪ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯕꯤꯗ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯂꯒꯗꯤ
ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯈꯨꯃꯥꯡ ꯆꯥꯎꯁꯤꯟꯒꯅꯤ
ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯝꯖꯔꯤꯕꯤ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛ ꯁꯣꯅꯥꯂꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯕꯝ
ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛ ꯖꯣꯏꯁ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯎꯁꯝ
ꯀꯦꯃꯦꯔꯥ ꯄꯔꯁꯟ ꯌꯣꯍꯦꯟ ꯑꯔꯥꯝꯕꯝꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯏꯝꯄꯦꯛ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ.
Well done. Proscribed Manipur Naga People's Front (NPF) celebrated its 7th Raising Day at its general headquarters, mobile battalion and unit departments today. MNPF in the press release said the outfit's flag was unfurled and its late members were paid revolutionary salute. MNPF Chairman John Francis Kashung and cadres of every rank attended the event. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on awareness program on novel coronavirus COVID-19 held at Sonapur of Jiribam district. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Wednesday Primetime English News on Impact TV. Legal Aid Clinic Sonapur organized a one-day awareness program on COVID-19 at Ala Amin School in Sonapur of Jiribam district today. Jiribam CAC-MO Dr. Walibia Kamnam and Dr. R.K. Ilima stressed on symptoms and preventive measures of COVID-19 at the event. Face masks and shops were distributed to students and people who attended the program. Sport painting competition for kids on the theme Clean and Safe Village and Safe Drinking Water was held at Charangpat Mamang Laikai in Thoubal district today. District Water Sanitation Committee Thoubal along with Maichon Club Charangpat organized a competition funded by PHED Thoubal Division. Around 100 children of the area took part in the competition. Now the sports news. Impact TV has won the final football match of the 10th annual sports meet of All Manipur Working Journalists Union 2020 at Kuman Lampak Artificial Turf Ground today. Altogether, 7 teams of 7 media firms competed in the football tournament. In the quarter-final match of the football tournament, Impact TV beat Shanghai Express by 1-0 to enter the semi-final match. Impact TV's midfielder Vumeshwar scored the lone winning goal. While in the semi-final match, Impact TV defeated ISTB by 1-0. The lone winning goal was scored by midfielder R.C. Mangangcha. In the final match, Impact TV defeated Tom TV by 1-0. Impact TV news reporter R.C. Mangangcha scored the lone winning goal. Team champion Impact TV and runners-up team Tom TV were felicitated with cash award and trophy by Amju. Impact TV's midfielders R.C. Mangangcha bagged a player of the match title and a cash award of 1,000 rupees. Manipur Police DGP LM Kaute, Imphal East SP Jogesh Chandra, MGU officials and members witnessed the event.
journalist singi pressman singi su yausang manungda workload work tension adudagi adu thadu oga sumaina skill development aduga sports ta activities mayam lerega ekoi gi wakhan su nungai jaba haiba tai ꯑꯗꯨꯒ camaraderie ꯑꯗꯨꯒ cooperation ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯅꯅꯕ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏ perform ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯠꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ example ꯑꯐꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯨꯚꯃꯦꯟꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯝꯖꯨꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯇꯤꯡ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯦꯁꯦꯖ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯟꯚꯦ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯧꯖꯩ
ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯝꯖꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁ ꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯩꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄꯁꯤꯃꯛ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯥꯎꯏ ꯇꯤꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯅꯒ ꯒꯣꯜ ꯆꯟꯗꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯩꯊꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯡꯊꯣꯏꯔꯕꯒꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯝꯄꯦꯛꯀꯤ ꯇꯤꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀooperation ꯄꯤꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯊꯥꯖꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯝ ꯋꯥꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯥꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯈꯤꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯕꯅꯦꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯁꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯝꯖꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯩꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁ ꯃꯤꯠꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ
New Staff Organization Kwakaithel Haino Khongnembi Makhalaikai kicked off a first Ambika Sapam Memorial 4A-side women football tournament today. NSO organized a tournament on the occasion of its 18th Yaosheng Sports Meet at the club playground. Ex-president of NSO, Sapam Ibomcha, said the tournament was organized in the memory of her late daughter, Ambika Sapam, with an aim to promote women footballers of the state. In the first league match of the tournament played today, SYC Kakwa defeated YWC Langthabal by 3-2. Altogether, 4 women teams are taking part in the tournament. Final league match will be played on the last day of Yaosheng Festival.
ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯨꯠꯕꯣꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯈꯩꯇꯪ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯃꯣꯠ ꯇꯧ ꯌꯥꯅꯅꯕ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯞ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯃꯣꯠ ꯇꯧ ꯌꯥꯒꯗꯦ ꯈꯟꯕꯗ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯑꯇꯩꯗꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯒꯤ ꯐꯨꯠꯕꯣꯜꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯐꯪꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯨꯠꯕꯣꯜꯁꯤꯃ ꯔꯦꯂꯤ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯒꯦꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯥꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯒꯦꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯩꯇꯪ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯟ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯃꯣꯠ ꯇꯧꯅꯅꯕ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕꯅꯤ
Manipur Fencing Association has elected its 16th new office bearers and executive members for the next 4 years today. Induction program for the new members was held at MFA Conference Hall in Kuman Lampak Sports Complex. M. Lokendro is the new president and M. Kumar is the new secretary of Manipur Fencing Association. Now we have exclusive report on the ongoing All Manipur Working Journalists Union Annual Yaosheng Sports Meet 2020 from Impact News sub-editor Momo Kasalam and camera person Kabi Laima Pokpam. Let's have a look.
Second semi-final introduction ceremony ki damak koi Rupachanda as Pokulamadi now one is called Toviri. Upon the good photo session. Sathajariba journalist sports meet chi handa kathana tara subai disani masi sok lisingani tarama thoidagi layoi khraba journalist mayamama han veteran journalist mayamama na punjalaga yauksangi suti leibagi khudong saba lauraga akoi matam chupada magi thabakta mathauda concentrate tawdana leiba journalist mayam si amtang punna punminaba punna chaminaba punna sanaminaba apunba wakhalolama saganaba pandangi makada pangthok saga hokibani aduna koi lisang sitna 2011 dagi hojibok satharakpasida tara suba edition sure ada handaki tara suba edition da yawasi mamanga kasu akoigi tongan ba discipline event sing da hongwa leite
leptan chatharriba tara suba amjugi sports misida akoigi sum sana kusida yam thajidana impact bigi sanol singna akoigi any mamano sanba kenol singda su tongan ba individual kenol su koi pasan lawi haying su amju ta su amju sports misigi cricket match lagani adu su akoigi team se adum pasan performance kan have lei
Cahim gimana dalam kelak posida yang tahu ayau na, kau tim se, kau kada kada hari ini mau ni, amkan sana ini final match tu kau IST juga tay, aduh yang paling sana ni kali ni amsi tahu ayau na sana raga, masih kau am jo kita subam juga sumber ba annual yaksang sports meet ki football ki champion, kau pun ngamna ba. Kona gani hai masi tham jage
journalist ka khoi kang bu si smaina practice ki matam di phang de du spirit tu da hai tare spirit tu da dum khoi participate tau ni maina tham jage
khoi ki journalist ki sidi hana professional oiba football player ayam ba yaw di ba ko ane dar ga su hoji khoi ki media ki farm da lei ba sanoi sing si interest se yenga thongna rak panina hoji phau di kana na lingge hai se hai ba di ngam de loina ba dum khara dum loi sana ba nga tang ya
amjuna sumaina simbi dana journalist mayam sports ta yam changal jalakwa haibse am thoba khongthang ne aina logje
pau khakhtang logadaba nate isa phabagi sukana balai sana vibes ne isa khoilan ni habi wakhalonda akhoi amjuna sinbiba yamna amjubu thagachari
Next journalist sports meet the nupi singi oiba team event se edi hap na ba ai ma isama hujuzik joint secretary oina lairi ara nupi mam gi sumaina hap ke na khoi khali
akhoi ngasi yausang sports ki oina khoi amjuna sila pangtoi sidi yamna nungai khoi sana basu sana player ga sunate khoi pawmi me leibane du akhoi por sum kai de mathang su hena phana ba sen ge phana sana yen khale
amna nungai ba amana ngasi ki final match Ipal West ke Mega Chandrana lupali singamagi goal score
journalist singi pressman singi su yausang manungda workload work tension adudagi adu thadu oga sumaina skill development aduga sports ta activities mayam lerega ekoi gi wakhan su nungai jaba haiba tai adu camaraderie aduga cooperation mayam su hengat nanaba sumai perform tore adu mathakta Manipur gi youth singi damak example apaba su oire sports ki movement su achauba ama mateng pigani haibase amjo gi sporting activities da ekoina message kon akan ba ma convey tori haina e lojai
media gi mio sing su physical fitness tabon dakar lei aduga khoi bakchang phatabia de haibgi ma moi masa masa da madugi phone bangam ba sports ama tawraga khoi gi media house myam sisu amaga amaga nuksinaba amaga masak khangnaba amjuna sinibase apapa khongdang amani na gi tarap tagi hajadigi
journalist sing da yam sports ki talent as well as enthusiasm leibese masi ubada ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯊꯧꯒꯠꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛꯇꯁꯨ every walk of life ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯞꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯠꯇꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯣ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯚꯦ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯩ
All Manipur Working Journalists Union Amzuna Sinduna Chatharakliba Tararak Suba Amzu Sports Meet 2020 ngasi Marini Chanbanumita Kumal Lampak Artificial Turf Ground da Chathajakriba asi football match asida Impact TV na final match asi laukre hayeng Amzuna Chathariba Sports Meet asige Aroiba numita cricket match sanagadaba lairi hayengi paudamsu Impact News na puduna lakchage ngasigi damaktadi Impact News ki dama camera person Kavi Galoinana Momoka Salam Impact News.
Well, that was a wonderful package. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Tutelar King of Manipur Leisemba Sana Jaubas set to enter politics. Gets BJP ticket for Manipur Rajya Sabha seat. JSCC, a conglomerate of MSU, MSF, KSA and SUG, strongly objects recruitment drive at Manipur University in absence of regular Vice-Chancellor of Manipur University. Indo-Myanmar Association Impal signs MOU with Mandalay's Sri Jaga Mohan Mandir for construction of a guest house at Minde Ikin in Mandalay. Traffic Control Wing keeps strict vigil at various places of Imphal West District to prevent road mishaps during Yaosheng Festival. People celebrate the third day of Yaosheng Festival by holding various sports activities and entertainments. And Impact TV defeats Top TV by 1-0 in football tournament of All Manipur Working Journalists Union Annual Yaosheng Sports Meet 2020.